Oh my god, this is amazing.
Wow.
Let's do some math because we have two Hawthorne houses and a San Pedro house. That's 3 houses that I want to do at least 6 pumpkins for. So that's like a lot of pumpkins. I'm obsessed with these. They're so cute. And this is maybe just like to decorate. So let's get about 4 of these, put in the houses. Do I look in here? So obsessed. Our guests are gonna love it. You gotta get 10 pumpkins.
Yeah. No, not too big. One behind you.
Well, unfortunately, I lost my money, so you're not getting Bitcoin yet. We can wipe that little guy off. We'll take one of these. Well, we only spent $128 on like literally 40 pumpkins. I'm so excited. Yeah, absolutely. One thing at a time.
All right, take care.
All right, you too.
Hi Mercedes, the lock on the door of Unit 504 just said it has a low battery and should be replaced soon. Thank you.
Yeah, Albert's going to the condos anyway, so we can just buy batteries and change the lock today. Wait, is this the right exit?
No, you missed it. Enjoy your day! Exclamation.
In LA. Ooh, that rhymes.
I think it was the other.
Told you. My pumpkins, how are they holding up? I think I have like ADHD when I drive. Like I can't just like drive, I have to like hold something.
Yeah, she said he said the walkthrough's at 3. And then that's at
Oh, that's
9.
perfect.
Hey Mercedes, how's the move out going? The couple comes to see the unit. He says the unit's a whole house. On the 3rd.
Biggest house.
We must have it ready nicely and smell well for them. I gotta get that lease.
All right, let me do a voice message to him. Hey, yes, the people are moving out. Again, like check out for 1 p.m. so they're not rushed. Fatima, the cleaner, and her husband will be there at 1:30. I personally will be there around 3:34 to do the walkthrough, make sure no damage, and then get any supplies out, and then I will update you. And then we also have to rush his security deposit refund because he is going out the country in like 4 days. Am I moving?
No, it was him.
Oh. That was terrifying.
That's why you shouldn't text and drive.
Pull out my Target app because I gotta get my stuff. I think you have to drive, and then I'll.
She's not even looking this way.
No, she has no idea I made it here. Her
Long-ass
nails are
nails.
so long.
You're on the walkway.
It's fine. People do this all the time at Target.
You need my help?
No.
Okay.
I think this gets in the trunk.
This is it?
Yeah. That's me. All the toilet paper. I guess I put it on my lap. Thank you. Jesus. So before we go on vacation, we're gonna have to do a restocking of all the properties. Oh, this is broken. And that's why we inspect, folks.
Should be good.
Amazing. Thank you, babe.
Complimentary for all
They're
of our
so
homes.
cute.
House numero 2.
Clean almost. Oh, it's really clean.
These go in here.
That's me. What are we fixing, Al?
This Wi-Fi extender so you can have Wi-Fi throughout this massive property. All right, we got this extender. Mercedes says she's the ring expert. Wow, look at our contractors are doing some math over here.
This is my third one. It gets its own Wi-Fi.
Now connected to the Ring app. Setup successful.
Ooh, maybe she is a pro.
I told you. But we're here. Let's try.
The expert onto number 2.
Alright guys, it is 3:21. I have hit the 3 o'clock wall. I am in desperate need of a DC or a little latte or something. We're driving to the valley now. We have 2 more big check-ins. Al's driving because I just can't deal anymore. I need a little break. Yeah, check-ins at 4. We're expected to be there at 3:40, so it's going to be a quick one. And then we're going to end with a bang with our 6-month exit, and the cleaners are there doing the deep clean already. Huge. Sure you understand it's not exactly ready. Okay. Okay, bye.
Oh, the TV was here. Oh yeah, because he has to patch this up.
It's really minimal. It's actually good because now she can like really deep clean too. So maybe las cochas grandes yo puedo llevar.
Well, we had maintenance done, so it looks great.
Yeah, we have maintenance.
Looks good out here. And that is a wrap on a long day.
Tomorrow's another long day.
But we definitely need to replace this bad boy.
I am so tired. We did 6 check-ins. We're not even done with this huge house. I had like 10 different hairstyles today. It's crazy. Thanks, I need this.